I built a smart home setup for under $500. Now that I've lived with it for a while, here's what I'd buy again, and why every one of these gadgets made the cut. Casa Smart Plug 2-pack. These smart plugs are super reliable and incredibly easy to set up. I use them to automate my heater and lamps, and the scheduling feature just works. For the price, they're unbeatable. Topo Smart Bulbs 2-pack. These bulbs give you full color control, remote access, and automation without breaking the bank. They're perfect for mood lighting or simple voice commands in the bedroom or office. SwitchBot Hub 2. This hub connects my older appliances using infrared, plus it supports Matter and lets me trigger routines through sensors and other devices. It's like a translator for your smart home. WiseCam Pan V3. This is my go-to for home monitoring. Pans, tilts, tracks motion, and works indoors or out. Whether I'm checking in on a pet or tracking movement, it's been rock solid. Amazon Smart Thermostat. Set it and forget it. It learns my habits, adjusts the temp when I'm not home, and helps cut down on energy bills. It's sleek, responsive, and works flawlessly with Alexa. Echo Dot 5th Gen. A must-have for voice control. I use it to control lights, set timers, play music, and even trigger routines. The built-in temperature sensor adds a bonus layer of automation. Govee RGBIC LED strip lights. These lights do more than just look good. They sync with music, offer dynamic scenes, and elevate the vibe of any space. I've got them behind the TV, and it completely changes the room. Aqara Motion Sensor P1. One of the smartest purchases I made. It triggers my hallway light automatically when I walk past and integrates seamlessly with the rest of my setup. Battery lasts years. Together, all of this cost me less than $500, and honestly, I'd buy every one of them again. If you're starting out or just want a no-fuss smart home setup, the links to everything I use are in the description below. Let me know in the comments what your smart home budget would look like, or if you change anything in this list.